Okay, up on a roof we did the half of the roof 2 years ago, or 4 years ago. And the other half was a 3-in-1, and it's due now. So you can see all of the granules are washed out of the shingles through here, so they're going to start experiencing some problems here. And there was a bubble here in the roof. Oh, right there. Right there, this roof is actually raised. Something going on over here about probably 2 inches. But this whole bottom 3 foot is shot. This here's a bathroom exhaust vent that we're getting a lot of. You can see the shingles are all shrunken. See this shingle here, when these were installed, the gaps in the shingles were this big. Actually a little bit less than these. I wouldn't be able to put my finger in there. But as you go down the lower part of the roof where the ice is more predominant, you can see how the shingles are shrunken up. So they're just about like eggshells now, and we're starting to see decking in between these rain grooves. So we want to take care of it. There's a problem with the chimney leak, and it could be either coming in from this side of the roof, because it's coming off onto the side of the chimney here. Everything at the top is sealed like a drum. You can't. There's nothing getting in there. So there's either a culprit with this vent over on this side here, letting stuff get in, or they need a new chimney liner and possibly a cap. A chimney cap would be a good idea, which none of these houses have got them. But what happens is, because if you can look down in there, which you can't, the flues do not line up. So anytime you get condensation inside these flues from your heat exhaust, the condensation rides in between it'll hit the lower flue that's about 1.5 feet, 2 foot down, and it finds its way in through the brick in the inside of the house. So yeah, and it's got old stone. There's no way to flash this stone. You can see this is the only thing we can do is tar here. But some of the stone is popping off. We got a piece that's set up here, and we got this one corner piece here that's off, so should be re-glued. This is all holding out good. See, here's a cap on here. That's actually what should be over there also, and that would stop the rain from coming in, but it won't stop the condensation. We'll find out.